Hi, I am Uddin. Today I am going to show 100% electric car from Hyundai. This model's name ION IQ5. Very nice electric car from Hyundai. Driving range or full charge range is 384 to 460 kilometer, the maximum. And price is 500,000 and 900 kroner to 614,900 kroner. Price depends on what type of settings you gonna buy. So it's I think it's standard electric car price, and battery guarantee is 8 years. New cars guarantee 5 years. I think it's good compared to others car makers. When you buy electric car in Sweden, so you will receive 70,000 one-time payment from government. This is called climate bonus. So you can think on electric car, you can save our planet, save your money. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, put your comments in comments area. See you in next video. Bye bye.